Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cuckoo with the sub for inside this our green white green country will be Nigeria. As usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports we go like share give the general public. And the cuckoo now be say matter don't tie rapper and tension don't grip the Abia State House of Assembly. Now this tension they happen after a violent clash between members of the Labour Party caucus during a private meeting wey happen for Abia. Now this clash they happen sake of the sharing of funds allegedly disbursed by Governor Alex Otti of Abia State. According to multiple sources and many of them na eyewitness, them observe how the matter take play. Them the yarn they give to the people. Say the majority leader for the Abia State House of Assembly, man wey dey go by the name Honorable Okoro Uchenna Kalu, and normally this man na dey represent RI0US State constituency. The man attack his own colleague Honorable Akachukwu, man wey dey represent Aba Central constituency with beer bottle. And sake of this attack, the wound wey Honorable Akachukwu get for his head e big and e deep, and also the man still gets severe concussion. So in other words, Honorable Okoro Uchenna Kalu literally burst bottle for the head of Honorable Akachukwu, and this dey happen because of money. Now sharply my good people, make I break down the genesis, make I tell countrymen how the matter it happen. According to information wey we gather, we now define as say the altercation it occurred during a meeting of Labour Party lawmakers. And this meeting they happen for the house of Honorable Fine Ahioma, in a member wey dey represent Osisioma Gbas South constituency. And this same meeting was also attended by the Speaker of the Abia State House of Assembly, man wey dey go by the name Honorable Emmanuel Emerua. Now we receive information say the meeting now it can turn from peaceful to violence after disagreement wey the members them get. And this disagreement it happen sake of say men now can they argue how they want to share a sum of money wey they allegedly given to the caucus by Governor Alex Otti as an appreciation for the swift passage of the 150 billion naira supplementary budget. So as them now they contemplate how they want to share the money amongst themselves, Honorable Akachukwu, man will be the chairman of the House Committee on Appropriation, Budget and Planning, he can insist say when they give am bigger share of the money sake of the big role wey he play in the budget process. Little did he know say this is talk go cause fight as the man just drop his demand. Exchange of words e can start. Before men go know wetin dey sup, the talk don provoke the majority leader. Sharply this man come carry bottle come break am for the head of his own colleague. Now after after the heated exchange, after the atmosphere don dey calm down, the Speaker of the Abia State House of Assembly come dey tell the members make dem do the calms, make dem no allow this matter go outside, make dem no report am to police or make dem no leak the informate give tori people. But that one no go fly sake of say tori people don't get the informate and it go definitely reach the ears of police. And them suppose make 1 or 2 arrests unless say the person wey collect the bottle injury no one press charges. Meanwhile, the matter no end there at all. The source from the inside wey dey pass informate they give tori people cause they yarn. Say in the midst of the violence as e be say they don't knock bottle for countryman head, sharply they rush the honorable go the nearest private clinic and then can receive emergency treatment for the deep cut wey dey for him head. Later that evening, he can reportedly send a message to the Abia State Governor Alex Otti, and for that message, he attached the photos and a video of his injuries give the man. According to how he write inside the message, he say, "Good evening, His Excellency. This na the wound wey he sustained from the majority leader for trying to voice his own opinion on issues wey concern the committee wey him na chairman. And this incident so they happen for the premises. The thing happen for the face of Honorable Fine Ahioma during their caucus meeting wey happen for inside Aba. Now just few days after the violent encounter, few days after the busting of head and the breaking of bottle, the injured lawmaker was discharged from the hospital to go join his colleagues on a state-sponsored trip to London. And this trip, my good people, it allegedly they cost taxpayers nearly 1 billion naira. The lawmakers they reportedly flew first class, but however, This London retreat e con still degenerate into another dispute, e con still cause another fight. Tori pipo con dey receive fresh information say confrontation is still burst out among the members after accusations con surface say the Speaker of the Abia State House of Assembly plus the Deputy Speaker and the Majority Leader Uchenna Kalu dem hide some parts of the travel allowances. Dem no give all the members the complete money wey dem suppose to give them. Some lawmakers dey claim say dem receive only 40% of the funds allocated for the trip. Fight for burst out and maybe another busting of head for still occur if no be the London hotel staff wey come intervene. Now, sake of the growing anger wey don dey among the members, reports now don dey indicate say e get a faction of the Labour Party caucus wey dey plan to impeach the speaker and other principal officers once dem touch down with green country Nigeria sake of alleged misappropriation and misconduct. Like this now, the plan don already dey in motion. Many members are not happy with how funds were handled both for Aba and for London. Now, this quarter dey happen sake of say Governor Alex Otti of Abia State give a certain sum of money to the caucus as appreciation for the swift passage of the 150 billion naira supplementary budget. Now, sake of this, many countrymen dey ask why e be say the governor dey appreciate the lawmakers for doing their duty. Something wey be say already the lawmakers are getting paid for doing that job. Now the governor con dey go appreciate them extra with certain sum of money, and the money e don cause fight. Before now, many countrymen be dey hold Alex Otti in high regard. Men dey see am as man wey dey do well, man wey no be like other governors for inside the nation Nigeria. But sake of this development, men now don dey see reasons to dey wonder what is going on in we country. For Governor Alex Otti now to come go dey give sum of money to lawmakers for passing the budget, that means the budget wey the lawmakers dem pass no be for good governance at all. Maybe na for private something wey last no go benefit the general public. Now, anyhow this report be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put them inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like giving our legit news on politics and many other cuckoo with the sub for studies our green country, maybe Nigeria. Now, if you be say you like this report, if you be say you like this update, and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we bring more legit updates, they come your side, now you go first receive the information and you go even get them sharp. Now me they go get more news, me they go get more reports, me they go gather more updates for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.